this clip, we're going to talk about the proper way to reinstall the vehicle's electrical connectors to the engine's alternator. We have 3 connectors to deal with. The first one is our primary output stud. Pretty much slide the battery eye on it and run your mounting bolt down tight. The torque specification on this bolt is going to be measured in inch-pounds. It does not take a lot of torque to mount it, however it does have to be tight. You need to be careful with this mounting stud, being that it is possible to over-tighten it and damage the output terminal. They're made of plastic and don't have very much metal inside of them. You're only looking for just past snug. As you can see, I'm using one finger to tighten this down. That's all the tighter it needs to be. Once you have the attaching nut snug, go ahead and slide the protective boot back over. From there, we're going to take and plug in our PCM, to our powertrain control module control wires, and our charge indicator, either gauge or light. That's plugged in, and we'll get this guy in the back here plugged in as well. You're going to want to listen for some specific clicks as you plug these connectors in. That means, there we go, that means they've seated and their retaining hooks have popped onto the retaining stud. If they haven't clicked, that means they're either broken or that they're not fully seated yet. They will click. As you can see, this electrical connector has a hook on the end of it. That's going to correspond with a tang on the alternator. The tang is going to pop up right through here. When this clip is properly installed, it will make a popping noise as this device takes and hops over the seat on the alternator. Go ahead, slip that down in there. If it doesn't make a noise, it's not installed far enough or the mounting clip is broken. As you can see, if you take a listen, you'll hear the pop. That's it. Once it makes that noise, you can tell that it's seated properly.